Okay, welcome back. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende. In our program number 9, we are going to learn about concatenation. So concatenation deals with interconnection of words which are present in series, or in short, you can say deals with interconnection or deals with how to interconnect a series of words. In our program, we'll define 3 string variable and we'll assign values to those variable. Then we'll try to interconnect. So let's go. Open your compiler and get the work started. So I'm using Dev C++, so to create a new file, Control N. Now we want to include #include iostream, then using namespace std int main, our main function. So here we define our 3 string variables: string first name, and we assign value to the variable declared. Let this be d semicolon string second name, which is modest, semicolon string birth date, this is date of birth, 1990, then put a semicolon. So those are our string variables. So we need to interconnect, and that is concatenation. You do interconnect the word series. So here I put string. This is another string. String age is equal to I was born. Then I use plus or addition symbol to interconnect with date of birth, which is birth date. This is our string variable, birth date. Then I put semicolon. So we need to send our output to the screen by using cout. My name is first name, interconnect with second name, then end line. So this is all about interconnection or concatenation. We concatenate between first name and the second name by using addition or plus symbol. So my name is first name plus second name, then we end line like this, cout this way, we cout edge to the screen, then we return 0, return 0. So that is our end of program number 9, string first name, second name, birth date. Yeah, so let us see how we should save our program. As you can see, the program is saved as concatenation.c. So let's save our program the same as shown from the book. Concatenation.c. So as you can see, our program is free of errors and a warning, 0 errors, 0 warning. So compile and run. So my name is D. Moses. I was born 1990. Let's compare our output from the console to that output from our book as shown in figure 18. So here is the comparison. So my name is D. Moses. I was born 1990. The same as shown from our console. So that is the end of our program number 9. Do not miss our next video program, which will be number 10. I remind you, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.